Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a very super soft ladi pav and that too also in kadai. So let's take a look at the recipe. First of all, I have taken a bowl here. Add 3/4 cup of warm milk in it. Then in this add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Now mix it very well. Cover it and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes or till the yeast activates. Now after 15 minutes, add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, half teaspoon of salt. Now mix it very well and knead it to a very soft and smooth dough. And in between, you can add milk also if required. In the beginning, the dough will become sticky, but as you will knead, you will get a very soft dough. And now take out the dough on a surface or a platform and knead it with the help of the stretch and fold method like this. You can see that the dough has become soft. And now in between add 1 tablespoon of butter in it. The butter should be at room temperature. Now again continue to knead the dough for another 5 minutes. So you have to knead the dough for a total of 10 minutes. The process is little bit lengthy, but you will get a very soft pav. And that also homemade pav, so try out this recipe. Now grease it with some oil. Make small ball like this and keep it in the bowl and again grease it with some oil over it. Now cover it and rest the dough for 1.5 hours, and it depends on the temperature also where you are staying. Now after 1.5 hours, you can see that the dough has doubled in size. Now punch it and knead the dough again for 1 minute and take out all the air from it. Now here I have taken a rectangular mold, grease it with some oil and on the sides also. Now make small sized balls out of it. Make sure to tuck the dough to prevent from any scars appearing from the top. Now place the ball in a greased tray and don't keep too much space between them. Otherwise it will spread on the sides and you will not get a good shape. Again cover it and rest it for another 1 hour. Now after 1 hour you can see that the dough has risen. Now brush it with some milk over it so that you will get a good shine on the top. Now bake them in a kadai for 40 to 45 minutes at a medium flame. I have preheated my kadai. I have added some salt in it and placed a stand on it. Or you can bake it in an oven also at 180 degree for 20 minutes. Now cover it with a lid and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, I checked it once, but I kept it for another 10 minutes to get a nice color from the top. Now after 10 minutes, you can see that we have got a very nice color. Now take it out on a wire rack and brush it with some melted butter. You can use oil also. This will make this will give a very good shine to the pavs. And now cover it with a wet cloth for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, take out the pavs from the mold on a wire rack. If you keep the pavs in the mold for a long time, then it will become soggy. You can see that we have got a very nice color. Now again cover it with a wet cloth and let it cool down completely. So our super soft Ladi pavs are ready to serve. Enjoy the ladi pav with pav bhaji or vada pav. If you enjoyed watching this video, then share it with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the new updates. So see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.